Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we're going to be doing 4 flip cups. I've got some cool and warm colors here. Starting on this end, we've got turquoise blue, dioxazine purple, brilliant blue, titanium white, cadmium orange hue, cadmium red deep hue, and cadmium yellow light hue, and titanium white. The colors are Liquid-X, the whites are Amsterdam. We've got a 16 by 20 canvas. We've got approximately 118 grams of mixed paint. It is about 1 part paint, 1.5 parts pouring medium. Pouring medium is 60% glue, Elmer's glue wool, 40% water. And into the colors, I've added 3 drops of silicone. So the white didn't get it, but all the colors did. So I'm gonna get these layered into a split cup. I'm gonna start on this end, go to that end, and I'm gonna do 2 layers. So I'll bring you back when that is done. And there we go. They are all filled up. So as I said, I did 2 layers. So let's get these flipped over. Okay, and then the layers I did again, I'll quickly go over that again. Turquoise blue, dioxazine purple, brilliant blue, cadmium orange hue, cadmium red deep hue, cadmium yellow light hue, and I had white in between the brilliant blue and the cadmium orange hue, and white after the cadmium yellow. I put the red in the middle of the warm color so I wouldn't get pink. In case you were wondering why I did that. But I'm going to give this a couple seconds to release and then I'll bring you back. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, so giving them enough time. Hopefully the paint's all traveled down. It looks like it has. Let's pull these cups. Hopefully this is going to look good. Not the best pull on this one. Left way too much paint in the cup. That's a bit better. Ooh, that one was good. Yeah, too bad I messed up on the first one. This one wasn't as good. That orange is bright. Just gonna shift that downwards. Get my edges covered. All this is gonna get tilted off. Just to kind of wet it down a bit. Like you can see how muddy the paint is. Okay, well, got a couple cells popping through. Spin this around. Okay, we're gonna tilt that way first. See, I'm having troubles that one because there's such a small amount of paint there. Definitely got some nice bright colors. Happy with that. Normally I wouldn't push the paint over this way this soon, but we need to do it. Just bringing it back so we can do the other side. Yeah, that first cup was really muddy. tilt off our second side. Got a little bit of paint on my arm. Oopsies. Okay, let me wipe my hands. We're gonna torch. Yeah, I lost a lot of paint going the first way, but I should have enough. Okay, let's see what we get for cells. Got a lot of bubbles. Popping down low to pop some of those bubbles. Yeah, I got a little close. So let's let those cells pop up. I got a big bubble right there. It's cramping my style. Any other big ones? There's a couple. That one doesn't want to pop. Don't you hate it when they won't pop? Okay, definitely got to get some more on that side. A few more up there. A few more in that corner. Okay, what do we got coming up? Lots of small ones, still pretty bare there. Don't know if I should hit it again. We're bare right there and in there. Okay, one more time. I don't know if third time is going to be the charm or if third time is going to be one too many times. There's a whole whack that just popped up there. Oh no. Well, hopefully they look good as I start to stretch them. Okay. Just trying to get them a little bit bigger as I slowly work the paint down. Over that corner. There we go. That orange turned into this gorgeous like creamsicle color. But I did have it next to the white, so I'm not surprised. Hopefully I didn't pour too much paint off the other side. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Pull the paint back a bit. There, definitely very bright. I knew it would be bright. I had bright colors. Lots of different colors going on in this one. Not sure what it reminds me of, but I do love the center part. turquoise blue, the yellow, the red. It looks really nice. Very happy with that. So I think I'll leave it like this. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. Until next time.